Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to easily import your bookmarks and settings from Microsoft Edge to the Brave browser, whether you're switching browsers or just getting started with Brave. This quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process, step by step. Let's begin without any delay. First, open your Brave browser. Next, go to the top right corner and click on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Then select Settings from the drop-down list. After that, scroll down to the Get Started section. Now find and click on Import Bookmarks and Settings. Once there, choose Microsoft Edge from the available list of browsers. At this point, you'll see a list of data types you can import, like bookmarks, history, and more. Then check the boxes for the items you wish to bring into Brave. Finally, click on Import. Once done, you'll see a confirmation message and your data will now be available in Brave. And that's all it takes to move your data from Edge to Brave. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking, commenting, or subscribing for more browser tips and tech tutorials.